take a look at this good looking truck. 1994 Chevrolet C1500 extended cab Silverado here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Odometer reading 115,837 at the moment. 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood. This paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front on this one. Nice shape. Bug shield already installed on there for you. Check out the still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. These have become more and more popular. Very good selling body style here at Unique. Riding on the correct wheels, Michelin radials. Date code on those is 2019, so good to go on the tires. Plenty of tread left on those. You'll be able to see each one in the still pics. Close up, let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see around those wheel wells, lower rockers. Looking good. Turquoise and silver combination. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out that interior a little closer. It's a silver cloth interior. Cab corners looking good. Protective film still in the corner of the bed that it would have came with from the factory. And again, you see no major nicks, dings, scratches. Let you take a peek at that interior split vent seat up front. Very stock looking. Pendoliner bed liner. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Couple little hickeys in the back of it here. Nothing too major. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Chevy trucks, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Around the wheel wells, again, lower rockers. Not a bunch of rust or corrosion. Yes, you're going to find an imperfection here or there in the paint, but overall, this one shows well, has a nice shine to it. Well taken care of truck. AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Power windows and power locks. You can see that door panel. Nice shape, not discolored or stained on the armrest or above it. No major rips, tears, holes in the seats. Fabric, good shape. Headliner fine. Sliding rear glass. And you'll be able to see the interior with the floor mats up, so you can see the carpeting, everything in the still pics. Nice shape. Tilt column, cruise control, AM, FM, cassette player with equalizer. Stereo's working. Let's fire this up. There's the exact miles, 115,837. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Oil pressure looking good. There was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp to be up. Battery gauge, fuel gauge working. Tachometer. Top of the dash. Not discolored or cracked. This truck's in good shape. Take a listen. Also wanted to note the rear brakes were just done, as well as the rear wheel cylinders, and it has a new water pump. Let's take a peek underneath the hood, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap this walk around video up. All right, hood liner, good shape. Under hood light working. There it is. Again, 5.7 liter. Automatic with overdrive trans, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Little trouble light still intact here. That will actually come out of that holder and extend out around the vehicle. Battery disconnect. For in-between drives, if you want to turn it off, or maybe while it's in storage. I don't think this truck's been driven in much for inclement weather. You know, clean. Just lack of corrosion, dirt, grime on that engine. A lot of life left in this one. 1994 Chevrolet C1500 Silverado extended cab. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Take a look at the undersides. You'll be able to see how clean it is underneath there also. Take your time looking through them. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1994 Chevrolet pickup truck. This would be a 1500. And a very 1994 color, kind of green, kind of teal with some silver. Very nice truck, very nice interior. The cloth, the seats look practically like new, in my opinion. Now our gauges are working, our turn signals are working. Smooth acceleration in this truck. Started up with just a flick of a key, as they should. Even the equalizer for the radio set up over here is working. Have not tested cassette, but the equalizer set and the sound is good. Season's gonna change. Our HVAC is blowing. We have heat on today, and all that digital is working. A lot of times that isn't working after the truck ages for a while. And the dash is gray. It's a light gray, kind of light medium gray, which is a little different, and it looked great in this truck. Smooth ride. Our oil pressure is showing almost 60 psi. The temperature gauge about a quarter of the way up. Voltmeter is showing over 14 volts, and the fuel tank is over half full. Tachometer equipped. On the left, the tach is working well. The speedometer is also working as it should. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy for anybody to drive. These trucks, kind of one of the last styles that looked like a normal truck, you might say. Corners well, stays pretty flat in the corners. Great visibility out of these trucks. They're not as tall as the new trucks. They're not overly big for reasons that aren't functional. Extended cab, bed liner. Let's see, we got a bug deflector. This truck is good to go. Take a look at all the pictures of this Chevy at UniqueClassicCars.com.